We will now have remarks from the president of the Graduate Student Association, Tabina Amanfo, who is a two-time Delaware State alumni, and the president of the Alumni Association, Ms. Leah Williams, who's also a two-time graduate of Delaware State University.
You're spitting on.
All right, where is my phone? Is my phone down there?
Shh. Yes.
Okay. When I say you're. All right, that's good. That's good. So I actually have 30 seconds to speak. So I'm gonna try and keep it under, but I doubt it. First of all, I'd like to say thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, fiance. How you doing? Alright. So with that out the way, I have a little speech that I have written out.
Hey, welcome, Isaac family. Thank you for stopping by.
So I really hope it resonates with everyone.
This is my daughter's.
In seasons of
one of my
uncertainty,
daughter
there often remains something to be
master
certain about.
graduation.
In moments of despair,
I'm proud of
there
her.
is still much to be thankful for. When it feels like everything is withering away, know this: rain is on the horizon. To the graduating class, these are more than words to let pass you by. Bind them to your hands and etch them to the roots of your mind. Because in the midst of uncertainty, despair, and loss, there lies a powerful opportunity, a chance to stand for something and make a lasting impact. Although I'm speaking to a diverse group today, imposter syndrome knows no race. You will be told you're not good enough. You will question whether you truly earned your place. And sometimes the harshest doubt may even come from those who look just like you. But consistency is the currency with which you redeem every negative thought that surrounds you. As one timeless principle reminds us, rejoice in your sufferings, knowing that suffering produces endurance, and endurance produces character, and character inevitably produces hope.
I don't own the original copyright to this video.
Personal achievement. They should spark within us an unorthodox question: who did we earn these degrees for? When that question is asked, we shift from self to service, and we become the rain on someone else's horizon. It is a true privilege to stand before you today, but make no mistake, you all deserve to be up here as well, in my seat. Your stories, your struggles, your work deserve a moment. But perhaps the most meaningful recognition isn't from the applause or the stage, but from the quiet gratitude of those who we lift along the way. To the faculty and staff, thank you is not enough. To the families, your undying support cannot be replaced. To everyone, let excellence be the standard. Let our decisions and our degrees always feed forward, and allow ourselves to water the roots of change in the communities that we do serve. My name is Tabina Amanfo, departing president of the Graduate Student Association. Congratulations to the class of 2025. And in the style of a former president, class of 25, we out.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Congratulations, class of 2025. On behalf of the Alumni Association, it is my pleasure to congratulate you on graduating from Delaware State University and joining the alumni family. We are proud of you. We are excited to see all of the things that you will accomplish as alumni, and we want to stay connected with you. Each graduate of the class of 2025 will receive a free year of membership into the Alumni Association. Ooh, we can laugh at that. There you go. We hope you will stay connected with us so we can continue to assist you throughout your journey, as well as keep you connected to the university and your fellow alumni. Congratulations and welcome to the alumni family. Thank you.
So, Leah, thank you for those words and inspiration. Let's hear it one more time for them. Class of 2025, you ready? I got one more thing to do, and then we're going to get this party started. Before we get to that moment, the moment you're all here for, I want to recognize one of your outstanding graduate Hornets for their outstanding leadership. The Presidential Leadership Award for the graduate student class of 2025 goes to a young man I've known since he was a freshman at Delaware State University. His energy, his heart, his commitment is like none other I've ever seen. Please help me welcome Mr. Jordan Spencer of Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Now y'all heard General Benson, come on.
And now we will proceed with the conferring of the degrees. President Allen, may I present Dr. Gwendolyn Scott Jones, Dean of the School of Graduate, Adult, and Extended Studies, who will in turn present the candidates for the Doctor of Education degree and the candidates for the Doctor of Philosophy degree. Candidates, please come forward for public recognition along with your advisor.
Shelly Ann Spencer Reed, Female Faculty Experiences of Gender Bias in Jamaican and U.S. Higher Education, a Phenomenological Qualitative Study, advised by Dr. Tina Mitchell. Diana Spencer, an exploration of parity between technology adoption in multinational hotels and tourism higher education pedagogy in Jamaica, advised by Dr. Tina Mitchell. Tamika Thomas Mills, The impact of professional development on K through 12 teacher attrition in an urban school district in the state of Georgia. A phenomenological research study. Advised by Dr. Justin Alexander.
Hey, Kay, thank you for coming by. This is a proud moment of mine. My daughter graduating with her master's.
Nicole Williams McKenzie. The challenges and impacts of millennial leaders in a coastal Georgia urban school district. A narrative inquiry. Advised by Dr. Pietro Sasso.
Sidani Vanessa Newland Williams. A phenomenological examination of instructors' perspectives and challenges in implementing blended learning at the National Police College of Jamaica, NPCJ. Implications for pedagogical practice. Advised by Dr. Justin Alexander.
I wonder why Jamaican
Dorette
station
Mackenzie
doesn't
Steen.
air this.
Assessing the role of transformational leadership in fostering mathematical conceptual understanding through inquiry-based learning in higher education, a phenomenological study. Advised by Dr. Justin Alexander.
Carietta Brown. An examination of the need for mandatory higher education degrees for law enforcement officers in the 21st century in Jamaica. A qualitative phenomenological study. Advised by Dr. Karen Holland.
This should be a proud moment for Jamaica, and it's not being aired. I wonder why.
Alicia Sylvester Griffiths. Academic success in higher education among men of color. Advised by Dr. Karen Holland.
Carol Dowling. Personal development and migration of Jamaica's highly skilled post-secondary trained and higher education graduates to the United States. A phenomenological study. Advised by Dr. Pietro Sasso.
Jacqueline Thames. The implications for inclusion of non-binary students at a higher education institution in Jamaica. A phenomenological exploration through the lens of binary students. Advised by Dr. Pietro Sasso.
Darrell T. Jones, a comparative case study analysis of informal mentoring and high school student success, advised by Dr. Rashid X. Walker.
Thank you, Jolisa, for checking in. Appreciate it. Lala, love you, girl.
Sarah Gildon. A comparative case study analysis on the relationship between the early college model and increased learning outcomes in underrepresented communities. Advised by Dr. Richard Phillips.
Yashakia Williams. A New Day, the impact of mental and emotional health support for the academic success of Black HBCU students. Advised by Dr. Richard Phillips. Lynette Walker. Navigating New Horizons. Understanding the transition, emotional impact, and social capital effects on first-generation college freshmen at a historically Black college and university. A phenomenological study. Advised by Dr. Richard Phillips. Frank Yeri. Challenges and issues related to minority students' participation and persistence in STEM fields. A mixed method study. Advised by Dr. Chetanath Gautam.
Fan Long Ming. Professors' perceptions and experiences of situational teaching models and their impact on teaching effectiveness at an HBCU in the United States. A qualitative study. Advised by Dr. Chetanath Gautam.
Micah McCoy Edwards. Unraveling the factors impacting the retention and achievement of Black male teachers. A phenomenological exploration of social and task-related antecedents. Advised by Dr. Richard Phillips.
I see you, Lala. I'm just here waiting for my baby girl.
Carlos Nichols. How Deep Is Your Love? Narratives of Bible Belt Buckle teachers facing LGBTQIA+ inclusive curriculum. Advised by Dr. Tina Mitchell.
Milena Tiana Hall Laushebikan. A comparative case study analysis of the motivations, challenges, and impact of second career teachers, SCTs, in an underrepresented K-12 population. Advised by Dr. Richard Phillips. Diamond Amani Lee. Culturally responsive teaching and social emotional learning. A comparative study of their impact on student achievement and learning experiences. Advised by Dr. Yvette Pierre.
I don't know what order they're going by, but I'm here waiting.
Everton Thomas. Exploring the Existing Imbalance. A phenomenological qualitative study of Black male administrators at predominantly white institutions of higher education in the southern region of the United States. Advised by Dr. Pietro Sasso.
Guys, please give us thumbs
Dwayne
up.
J. Price. Exploring the influence of academic advising on the sense of belonging of returning low socioeconomic status, stop out students, a mixed methods approach. Advised by Dr. Yvette Pierre.
KC, thank you for stopping by. I'm here waiting on my daughter and her roll call. This is a proud moment for me.
Tasia Charnay Walker. Occurrences of per and polyfluoroalkyl substances, PFAS, in the environment, and their oxidative degradation by modified Fenton treatment. Advised by Dr. Kimberly A. Milligan. Liang Xinshin.
Kwejo Ampong Ofori. Therapeutic approaches, NOx inhibition and senolytic strategies in Parkinson's disease pathology. Advised by Dr. Melissa Harrington.
Nice, nice. Proud of you.
Katarzyna Dominika Rosicon. Molecular biology of synaptic transmission and its contribution to aging and neurodegenerative diseases. Advised by Dr. Hakeem Lawal.
Chelsea Emerald and Harris, joint sparse approximation and deep learning techniques for AI-assisted disease diagnosis, advised by Dr. Socrates Makrogiannis.
Tobena Ikechukwu Omanfo. Modulation of neuronal network activity. Role of astrocytic snare proteins. Advised by Dr. Irwali Timberni.
Make sure you go this way, then down so he can reach you.
You go up the stairs that way?
Yes.
Okay.
You'll notice when you walk up, once you see Jeff. VJ Leonard.
And now for the master degrees. President Allen, may I once again present
here
Dr.
it is.
Scott Jones, Dean of the School of Graduate, Adult, and
Here it
Extended
is.
Studies, who will in turn present the candidates for master's degrees.
Oh my
Will the candidates for
God.
the Master of
I'm
Arts
so
degree,
proud
the
of
Master
her.
of Science degree, the Master
Oh,
of Business
Lord.
Administration
I'm
degree,
so proud of
and
her.
the Master of Social Work degree,
Whew.
please come forward for public recognition.
Oh my God.
Jarrett Cagle.
This is my baby
Before we
girl.
confer the master degrees,
This is why I'm in a lot
let
of
me say
debt.
to the doctors, welcome to the club.
Ooh. Oh my God.
By the authority vested in me by the state of Delaware and the Board of Trustees of Delaware State University, I hereby confer upon you the
Here's my
Doctor of
baby
Education
girl.
and the Doctor of Philosophy degrees in your respective fields with all the rights and privileges thereto appertaining.
Oh my Lord. This is what she worked for. This is what I've been working for.
Graduate school, master's degree.
Say it loud and proud.
Jared Cagle.
Oh my God. I am so nervous and I'm not the one getting it.
Regina Devons.
Keisha Tice.
Talima Amira Jones Thompson.
Aisha Noon.
This is the moment I'm waiting for, guys.
Suhei Matamoros.
I think this is a social work category.
Mardoche Saintford.
Patrick G. Kelly.
Jalea Grimes.
Uh-oh.
Rosetta Brickhouse.
Masters
Dejanay
of teaching.
Gavin.
I'm looking for social work.
Jalen Snyder.
Yeah, I'm looking for social work.
Sierra Spain.
Nina Foster. Eric Montez. Jaden Marcus Sutton.
I just can't wait for her name to pop up on that screen.
Antonio Williams Jr.
Jeffrey Broughton Jr.
Carrion Ross.
Oh my God. I am so
Floyd
nervous.
Alexander Patrice.
Daniel A. Douglas.
Jonte Simmons.
Abdullah Arubaye.
Devin Jones.
William James Davis Jr.
Hunter Azur Lacey.
DeAndre Cordell Matthews.
Shanice Carisha Bryan.
Gina Danielle Sacchetti.
Crystal Gale Hay.
Ophelia Opoku. Tyshawn Levert Marshall.
Patrick Bennett III.
Denise Elizabeth James.
April A. Chin. Monet Kejome Bush.
Monet, that's my last daughter's name.
Naomi
On first
Ann
name.
Williams.
Come on.
Calvin Leos Beacon.
Trying to get it perfect, guys.
Jiron Hunt Fletcher.
Akira N. Busse.
Come on, I'm so nervous right now.
Amira Busse. Nancy Baez.
Elizabeth Whitney.
Lexus Commodore.
Yvonne Taveras.
Alexia Helen Hammond.
Raja Olivia Ava Cephas.
Beckham Oninku.
Terrence G. Wright.
Calvin Finn Ofori. Emmanuel Ochre.
Guys, I am so nervous. It's like I'm going up
Evans
there.
O2. Emerald Payton. Kimberly Kate Purcell.
Congratulations to all those guys. Everybody. up
Asmita Arial. Abigail Ayokor Arma. Tahira Atarwala.
Jonay Alexandria Event.
Oh my
Christine
God, I'm so
Wamega.
nervous.
Taylor Brianna Jones.
Samara Benjamin.
Idalis Lee. Jariah A. Johnson.
I really don't know the order they going by.
Ling Ling Lu.
Ian Christopher Thomas.
Dorothy A.M. Gordon.
Jordan Dean Spencer.
Margaret M. McCloskey.
Genovia Striplet.
Amira Dubos.
Tremaine Stone.
Uh-oh. This is her field.
Brielle Lachey Samuels.
Bridget Lynn Lewis.
I love how she brought her daughter up there with her.
Paula Renee Witcher. Felicia Olateju Taiwo.
Wow.
Taylor Alexis Ann Medler.
Congrats, congrats, congrats.
Jasmine Cherie Young.
Congrats.
Kim T. Harris.
Congratulations.
Carmela Denise Broadway.
Congratulations.
Ziona A. Hudson.
Congratulations. Oh my God. I'm so
Jade
nervous.
Kimberlyn Franks.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Rosie Lee Johnson.
Congratulations.
Jameson Chandler.
Congrats.
Kenitria L. Howard.
Ooh, congratulations.
Michelle Denise Jones.
There you go. Congratulations. Proud of you guys.
Diana Elizabeth Yusevich.
Congratulations.
Annie Kaki Edison Cujo.
Ooh,
Rebecca G. Rodriguez.
I'm so nervous.
Angelique Nicole Bradley. Sania Monet DeWalt.
Congrats.
Deja Danielle Jackson.
Kasia L. Distant.
Bria Dunne Hobbs. Marilyn Nialama Kase. Adeline Kase.
Guys, I'm so nervous.
Francis Bondu Songdu.
India Monet McMillan.
There's a lot of people invited
Janet
have Monet in their
Ajayi
name.
Arawolo.
My last daughter's Monet.
Jennifer Jean-Baptiste.
Destiny M. Woodson.
Maisha Monet Utse.
Wow, a lot of Monet spelled different.
Rosalie Maria Jarrett.
Amani Courtney.
Oh my God.
Manaya Nyasia Williams.
Jarvis D. Graham.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Moesha Jillian.
Oh, that's my baby. That's my baby. Oh, that's my baby.
Crystal C. Brown.
That's my baby. Oh my God.
Jatia Quintana Bell.
Oh my God. Don't cry, boy. Don't cry. Keep it together. Oh my God.
John Amante Newton.
My dog. Oh Lord.
Marissa Michelle
Keep it
Mack.
together, man. Whew.
Lacole Dominique Burks.
Keep it together.
Precious A. Zachary.
Oh my God. Oh, I'm so proud.
Bonita Corrine Mullen.
Keep it together. Keep it together. Oh my
Marissa
God.
Lachey Harris.
Wow. That's my baby girl. That was my baby girl.
Yasani Means.
Oh Lord.
Charisma Patriana Long.
Guys, that was. Oh God. That was a clip of my daughter's graduation for her master's. And
President Allen.
there will be more
President
videos.
Allen, these candidates have completed
on this.
all requirements as prescribed.
Oh my
by the
God, this is one of
faculty
the
in their respective
one of
fields
the proudest
and are
moments of
hereby
my life.
recommended
This
for
is
the
what
Master
I've been
of Arts
working
degree,
for.
the Master of Science
Guys, I've been
degree,
out there
the
grinding,
Master of Business
driving these
Administration
trucks,
degree, and the Master
doing what
of
I gotta
Social Work
do
degree.
to make sure that they're better than me. I'm so proud. I'm so proud.
Master degree
Thank you.
students by the authority vested in me
Hey,
by the state of Delaware.
love you
and the Board
guys.
of Trustees of Delaware State University. I
Oh
hereby
man, you don't know how
confer
proud
upon you
I
the
am
master's
of
degree in
her
your
right
respective
now.
fields,
I'm proud of
with
all
the
of my
rights
kids.
and privileges thereto
All of them.
appertaining. Let the degrees be granted.
Getting her master's. This is a big moment for me. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys
Come on, families, y'all can do
on
better
the
than
next
that. Make
one.
some noise
Hey,
for your
we're gonna see some clips about this graduation. Again, thank you guys.
One more time, give it up for your graduates.